Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be my first outfit from scratch video. Wow, I did not say that properly the first time because I think I was just so excited. Outfit from scratch video. So now this is obviously in the future basically that I'm posting it, and the entire process of creating this outfit I would backtrack to maybe like 3 or 4 months ago. So firstly I want to tell you like the entire story, how everything came about, and also the various steps that I had to go through in the process of creating this outfit. So it was a rather simple process, I will tell you, and obviously nowadays these videos are so popular. I think everyone knows that it's not that difficult to do it. All you need is a good place where you find variety of fabrics, a good tailor who can do everything for you, and that's basically it. I think it's just a 2-step process, and obviously you need to keep in mind the fact that it's going to be more expensive to create a custom outfit versus buying something that is ready-made. That would be comparatively a little bit on the cheaper side, because just buying the material, considering how much quantity of fabric you need, will cost you as much as buying a ready-made outfit. And then of course if you have to pay the tailor, and depending आजकल tailors भी काफ़ी a lot of times they can be quite expensive. Luckily the tailor that we go to, he doesn't overcharge as much, but yes, he's quite in demand. Like, he always has a lot of work, so because of that sometimes it can happen कि either we have to give it to him way in advance to make sure कि हमको time पे मिल जाता है, otherwise he's sometimes not able to meet deadlines. That is my only gripe. But coming back to the entire process of creating this outfit, so first of all, I wanted the purpose of creating this outfit was I wanted to wear it for one of my brothers, like my cousin brother's wedding functions. If you guys did not watch my Jabalpur vlog, or you didn't watch the shorts that I posted, the various different get ready with me videos, my cousin, the only cousin that I have left basically in the family, like मेरे घर की ये last शादी थी apart from मेरी खुद की शादी. So that is why I was like, this is going to be my last chance to like dress up as like a relative of the groom or the bride kind of a thing. So I wanted to go all out, and I had seen this outfit on Shivani Bafna, who is a lifestyle content creator. I want to say she's not specifically into beauty or into fashion. She's more of like a lifestyle creator, if you know her. So yes, I saw this outfit on her, and I'm going to insert the outfit that she wore which inspired this. So I had kind of saved it thinking कि I want to get an outfit like this made at some point of time in my life. And when I and my mom were finalizing outfits, I told her कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा बनाना है custom type का. There were a lot of different designs. उसमें से हमने ये वाला design choose किया. Then we went to a store, and this store happens to be very popular because I've seen a lot of people who do outfit from scratch videos go to this specific store. The one that I can remember on the top of my head is Mridul Sharma. So if you guys remember that purple wala entire outfit that she did prior to her wedding for her parents, and for Aditya, her now husband, then fiance, I remember watching that outfit from scratch video, and she bought that specific kapda, purple wala, jo sabke liye banwaya tha, from the same store that I am talking about. Now the reason I'm referencing this to you is because that store is very popular, but I also want to tell you that वो स्टोर जहाँ पे लोकेटेड है उसके एग्जैक्टली सामने रोड के ऑपोजिट साइड पे एक और स्टोर भी है. सो द वन दैट शी रेफरेंस्ड एंड द वन दैट आई वेंट टू इज एली पेरी, एंड एली पेरी के सामने देयर इज वन मोर स्टोर कॉल्ड तिरुमला. नाउ ये दोनों जो है, ये मतलब देर इज दिस बिग मेन रोड जिसके दोनों साइड पे स्टोर्स है. नाउ द रीजन आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल दिस जोग्राफी इज बिकॉज इफ यू हैपन टू कम टू दिस स्पेसिफिक एरिया, आई वॉन्ट यू टू गेट द बेस्ट डील, and I'll come into that a little bit later. But long story short, depending on where you live, because I'm sure not all of you are from Mumbai, you can go to any market जहाँ पे अच्छे कपड़े मिलते हैं and बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी के कपड़े मिलते हैं, where you can pick up your fabrics from. Now we went to एली पेरी फर्स्ट, जहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारे कपड़े देखे और बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कपड़े देखे. आई विल इंसर्ट द बी रोल फॉर दैट ऑब्वियसली एज आई कीप टॉकिंग, बट देयर वर सो मेनी गुड फैब्रिक्स दैट वी सॉ, एंड आई डोंट नो, like going to a fabric store and seeing all these fabrics is like me in a candy store basically, कि मुझे ये भी लेना है, ये भी लेना है, ये भी लेना है. But Obviously if I'm buying fabric I want to
like
make
this
an outfit
also.
out of it. मुझे सिर्फ वो fabric लेके रखना नहीं है घर पे. So even though I saw a lot of really good fabrics there, I was like I will specifically focus on the outfits that I have at hand जो मुझे बनाना है. But I'll definitely come back again to buy more fabric for different kind of outfits, and I got really inspired to do more such videos like these and create more such outfits, hopefully when I have the right kind of occasion for it. So we picked up now if you see Shivani's outfit, basically ऊपर मुझे एक प्रिंटेड कपड़ा चाहिए था, लाइक अ रियली नाइस प्रिंट.
इसका आपने कितना
नीचे
रेट बोला?
मुझे एक सॉलिड कलर का कपड़ा चाहिए था.
495.
So we saw a couple of different options, but first I was looking for a printed, like a good print basically, जिसके साथ मैं complementary color नीचे के लिए use कर सकूं. So I did not like much to be honest because उनके पास बहुत variety थी,
लेकिन मुझे भी अभी लाइट ही अच्छा लग रहा है.
वैसा मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा था. And then
ये
finally I
शायद
spotted this
मेहंदी
कपड़ा,
वगैरह वैसे
the
कुछ
printed
इसमें
one.
पहनूंगी तो थोड़ा
And then I was also
bright लग रहा
seeing
है.
कि उसके साथ अगर मुझे दूसरा
ये
solid
वीडियो में
color
blue
लेना है,
लग
तो
रहा है.
what color should I take?
बट ऐसे green
And
लग
we
रहा है.
saw a lot of different shades of green. Finally
Here it looks blue.
I thought कि the parrot green
But in
one
real
looks
it's
the
green.
best. So I chose the
मुझे
print,
वैसा
I chose
मुझे
the,
चाहिए वो ब्लू में
the
ग्रीन
solid
में नहीं.
color. And
लेकिन
मैंने
ये
मेरे
नहीं
टेलर
अच्छा.
को भी कॉल कर दिया था कि दिस इज द आउटफिट आई वांट टू मेक, एंड इसके लिए मुझे कितना कपड़ा खरीदना है. So he gave me all the measurements and everything. So that is something, if you have a good tailor, तो usually कपड़ा खरीदने के टाइम पे ही उनको पूछ लेना कि कितना कपड़ा खरीदना है, because you always have to make sure कि कपड़ा कम ना पड़े. Okay, that is very important. And I have seen not many people mention this in outfit from scratch videos, that before you buy the kapda always check ki kitna meter lena hai and all those things with your tailor. Okay, now I bought the kapda, I got everything done, and then sometime later I went to my tailor. Now when I was at the tailor, मैंने उस टाइम पे कुछ फिल्म नहीं किया था because of his privacy reasons. Like I don't know whether he'll be comfortable or not to be a part in my video, but basically I have been working with him in terms of like he's been making outfits, lehengas. मतलब यूजुअली हम लोग लहंगा तो खरीद लेते हैं, बट उसका ब्लाउज जो भी मुझे यूनिक डिज़ाइन चाहिए होती है, ही मेक्स एवरीथिंग फॉर मी. एंड इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली ओन्ड शॉप जहाँ पे जो भी सूट होता है वो उसके अंकल बनाते हैं, एंड ही मेक्स द लहंगा, ब्लाउजेस एंड स्टफ. So that is how they operate. So this outfit was actually made by his uncle, not by him, because this is more of like a suit. It's not a lehenga per se. It's basically a one-piece outfit, in case any of you wanted to know that. So basically what they did is they made the top part with the printed kapda, and then the niche ka part and the sleeves and everything, so on and so forth basically. And the lace was actually bought and added by him itself, him or his uncle or whoever. मैंने वो लेस का कपड़ा नहीं खरीद के दिया उसको. I just told him कि ये भी आपको चाहिए तो आप खुद के पसंद से ले लो कुछ भी. I am happy with it, no problem whatsoever. Now the cost of actually making the outfit, like how much I had to pay the tailor for this outfit, was 2K, which I thought was a little bit expensive to be honest, but let me know what you guys think. मतलब अगर आप ऐसा कोई आउटफिट पहले बना चुके हो या फिर आपको पता है कि मार्केट में क्या रेट चल रहा है, तो टेल मी whether 2K is more or 2K is less. I thought कि 2K is a lot, but honestly I loved the outfit so much, and I'm going to show you the finished result as well. On the day, so I wore this for the reception function, by the way. Initially I was thinking of wearing it for some other function, but then in the end मैंने बाकी सारे functions के लिए दूसरे outfits decide कर लिए. So then this one is what I wore for the reception, and I think that was the perfect decision because I enjoyed so much. It was like a dress, but then really comfortable as well, and I just really enjoyed, and I got a lot of compliments also on this outfit. And overall I'm just so happy with it. The total cost of making the entire outfit was around, I want to say 3,500 rupees, because the kapda costed me around 1,500-1,600 rupees ish, and then 2K for the stitching. Obviously that is the only cost associated with the entire outfit. So yes, that's how much it costed me, which I would say is pretty good. It's still not that expensive, considering it's custom, considering I decided everything about it, and in general I think if you like an outfit so much, even if it's a little bit expensive, it doesn't matter. And this I would not put in the expensive category at all. If it was more than 5,000-6,000 rupees to create an outfit, then I would say it's expensive. But overall I loved it so much. I love the sleeves, I loved playing around with the sleeves, and in general I love the color scheme. I think it really looks good on me, my skin tone. Like I love how greens look like on me. So overall I'm very happy with this specific outfit. I would say it is my second favorite outfit of the entire wedding festivities. My first favorite has to be what I wore for the wedding, which is a sari, by the way. It's a net sari, it's not a custom outfit or anything. So yeah, I think this particular custom outfit did end up being pretty successful. So that's that. I wanted to share my entire experience with you, and I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. Maybe you got inspo, maybe you got to know a little bit about stores. And yes, I completely forgot to mention why I kept referencing the store opposite the road, like on the other side, because after we bought the fabrics from Ellie Perry, we went to Tirumala as well. My mom was like, यहाँ पे जाके हमको देख लेना चाहिए था, even though we already bought the fabric, but let's go and let's explore there as well. Now we didn't find any kapda similar to what we had already purchased, but there were some other fabrics which we had seen at Ellie Perry, जिसका मैंने आप लोग को shoot करके भी दिखाया है, the B-roll, what are the fabrics I'm talking about. And we had just asked the rate in general over there to understand कि if in future I want to create an outfit with something like that, then what is the cost going to be like kapda wise. So I knew the figures, and then जब मैं सामने के store में गई, मुझे same to same कपड़े मिले in the other store as well in Tirumala, but the price was significantly cheaper. And then my mom was like, did you accidentally make a mistake by buying this fabric over here, like in Ellie Perry, jahan pe it is more expensive as compared to this store, which is way more cheaper. Now like I said, there were other printed kapdas in Tirumala as well, but nothing like same design तो definitely नहीं available था, similar भी नहीं available था. तो ये वाला जो specific outfit है, इसका कपड़ा I am glad कि मैंने खरीद लिया वहाँ से, because I didn't find anything similar in the other store. But दूसरे बहुत सारे कपड़े थे वहाँ पे जो दोनों stores में same ही थे, and I don't know how and why, but they were charging different rates. Like Ellie Perry is charging more than Tirumala, and I'm not sure why. So I wanted to share that as well. Ki if you are going kapda shopping, look at nearby stores. Obviously I don't think har jagah pe ye case hoga ki one store is charging more than the other, but when you are buying kapda, and that to by the meter, तो the cost adds up, क्योंकि 1 मीटर का कपड़ा कोई भी नहीं खरीदता. If you are buying kapda, you're buying 3 meters, 4 meters, and the price multiplies depending on how much kapda you're buying. So that is why I wanted to share that. The total cost of the fabric will greatly differ if the rate per meter is different. That's what I'm just trying to basically come at. So yes, that is basically all that I wanted to share. I don't think I'm forgetting anything, but let me know A, your thoughts on the outfit which I created. B, have you done outfit from scratch? Because now I know it's a very popular trend and a lot of people are jumping on it. So if you have done outfit from scratch, what's your experience? Any tips you want to share? Let me know down below in the comments. But that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.